Hi dear student, today we will teach about how Zener diode works at constant voltage, or we can say that Zener diode works at voltage regulations. Here we can see that there is an input voltage which is represents symbol Vi. Here voltage is produced and we have a resistance R at here. When due to this voltage Vi, there will be a current I flow through this resistance R, and by obeying Ohm's law, when a current flow through resistance, there will be V0 voltage is produced. Here we will say that due to R, the voltage drop down VR as it is shown at here. Now the remaining voltage will drop at this point output, if we would like to say point A and point B. All the remaining voltage will drop out at V0. Then what will be happen? Suppose that here we put a Zener diode in reverse biasing. It is well known that Zener diode always used in DC circuit in reverse bias. The reverse bias means that this N is always connected to positive terminal of input, and on the other hand vice versa. Then what will be happens? Okay, yeah. Then what will be happens when suppose that Zener diode works at Vz equal to 5.1 volt, or our input voltage Vi less than Vz, then what will be happens? In this condition, all the voltage will drop at load resistance RL, and V0 always equal to Vi, because in this condition the Zener voltage is higher than input voltage. In these conditions the Zener diode will works like at a disconnect switch. There will be the current will be passed through in Zener diode. Iz is equal to in microampere range, and hence there will be no effect on V0. Now what will be happen when we increase the value of Vi slightly and slightly? Then it is when we increase input voltage Vi, suppose that Vi slowly increases, then at a fixed value, when Vi equal to Vz, there will be, on these conditions, the Zener diode like a switch break, and it will not any participate in circuit. But when Vi starts to higher than Vz, in this condition Zener diode is in reverse biased at between this point. Then at this condition a lot of current will start passing through Zener diode. As we know characteristic of Zener diode, we know that in reverse bias the Zener diode will start to a continuously higher current then all the current which is passing through Zener diode till whenever the voltage will not equal to